Hi everyone. So today let us take one of the questions. So today I want to pick the, let's say, these behavioral ones and question type. Yes, product design improvement behavioral. Yes, I think I have done this. Okay, yes, I have not done this one. How would you keep developers working on a product motivated and turning out quality work? I think I should attempt this one because I have not done. Yes, I will take this one because I think I have been asked this in one of the interviews. So I should be thinking about this one. And let me pick one. Yes, open a document. Since this is a paid one, I cannot access it. And I will let me paste that there. Yes. If there are three different items, if there are three different items in the top priority, yes. Let me make a border. Yes, we have done this. Yes, now we can start. Let me close this one down. Yes. If there are three different items on top priority for a release and the client is insisting on getting all three delivered at the same release, as a PM, you know there is not enough engineering capacity. What will you do? So we often face such. I have often faced such kind of scenarios in my previous work, and often this boils down to having a how good or how communicative you are with the stakeholders, with your clients, with your engineering team, with your senior managers, product managers. So it mostly depends on that. And second aspect of this is that during these situations, it becomes tricky often when you take it to a different level, thinking that you get stagnant on your position or that like that. Because flexibility should be your approach. And something, if I am uh, thinking from only from my angle that I do not have engineering capacity, I cannot do this like that. So thinking from the perspective of the client or the customer who is asking for the release, what is their exact reasoning or motivation behind it? So understanding that should be our goal, and we can come to a middle path regarding this. So so what I would do is that first would be that understanding the client's core motivation behind the ask, and the okay then okay, and forming a team consisting of developers, client, senior stakeholder, and this could be a weekly meeting or a, you can say, information sharing, because not everyone from the senior stakeholders can attend these meetings, or timelines issue, or many things can happen. So you need to build a strategy or develop a solution or information that you can share, something of a document that you can share with them and help them understand that why this meeting was. taking place and what is the actual situation that we are stuck in, and if they can provide their input and anything that we can do. And the third thing I can do is client understand how the development team is approaching the task under progress and constraints they are in, given the requirements of the release. So what I would do, and I know that there is not enough engineering capacity, so I can only work with the client and help them understand or come to a middle path that given there is a three different items. So if there is a three different items in the priority, maybe we can prioritize one or two in the current release based on the different criteria such as what is the time length it is going to take and how relevant or how related it is to the current release that we are having. So mostly the most important criteria would be how much time the team would take or it will take to develop the item to make it to do a release. Come to a middle path where we as in us and the client team regarding the three different items. So these are some of the things that we can do as a product manager or the person of the product team, and helping the client understand that what are the constraints with the product team, with the engineering team, and what are the and helping the development team understand that the given situation or the core motivation of the client, what they are asking for. So if I have to give an example, let's say I would to give an example that in one of my previous product, I was to deliver multiple items, and this was again when we approach the solution and development team. There is a process defined. There is a everything is defined, and whenever there is a extra features or something that is request is changed or anything that is asked apart from what is already we have done in the SOW scope of work, we have defined that everything is under uh, signed off and everything is done. If anything that deviates from that SOW, so we need to get a prior approval, or otherwise that has a different channel of going into our backlog. It goes into the change management and everything. So deciding that which of the features or product would be into the are in the scope of work and which are something that has to go into the change management. So that is also a very tricky or the most important part of product team working on various kinds of with various clients, various requirements, different motivations. So I think that would be all. And let's see what others have written. Actually, I have closed it down. So maybe you can start this. Okay, I cannot see because it was under premium member. Okay, I will be okay. I will be uh, meeting in the next video. And if you have any comments and how we can approach this, please comment below. Thank you.